Ladies and gentlemen, today we will have a quick review for you. This time will be for the LONGHI dehumidifier. Here is the box first. As you can see, humidity control. It's with gas refrigerant R290 dry. Also can dry your clothes. Clothes drying function. With the clothes drying function, helps reduce laundry drying times. Ecological refrigerant gas, up to 375 times more environment friendly. Protect your family and home. High reliable humidity can contribute to proliferation of mold and dust mites and has been associated with the increased risk of asthma. Here is how it looks like. Tasciugo AriaDry multi. Certified asthma, allergy friendly, gas, double filtration, dehumidifier, multi-purpose dehumidifier. This is around 60 liters for 24 hours. It's quite heavy, more than 10 kilograms. Here we have the same label. Here what we have here. Dehumidified, integrated handle, integrated control panel, laundry drying function, dust filter, anti-allergy filter, continuous drainage pipe, visible water level, removable water tank. Take care in handling, more than 10 kilograms. Okay, so I will unbox it and I will start it. Just a second. Continue. So we have double filtration system, improving air quality thanks to a double filtration system. This filter and removal again filter with capture for allergens. Continuous discharge drainage system for remove moisture without any need to empty the tank. Of course, at any point you need to empty the tank. Silent, since it's extremely quiet without compromising the dehumidification capable. The X is also suitable for bedroom. So I removed the product. There were some styropor draining holes here. Here is the manual, and here is the unit itself. This is the electricity adapter. The unit is quite heavy, actually, more than 10 kilograms, I would say. So you need to handle it with care. So I will put it on my special place here, where I think it will be the best for it, and I will unbox it now. My suggestion is to remove all of these plastic things, okay, because they will melt if you don't remove them. They're installed into the factory in order not to scratch the unit. So this is how the unit looks like. The LONGHI everywhere. Here is the logo. Here we have additional let's see, removable plastic tape or whatever it's called. I don't like this anyway. So if you don't remove them, they will melt, and you will it won't be, the smell won't be good, and you can also damage the unit itself. Here is the, I guess, the tanker. This is my assumption. This is the tanker itself. Let me, yeah, this is the tanker. Here is the water, as you can see. Here the water is put inside. So I would remove this thing. So, and you need to be careful when you turn it back again inside. Of course. The unit is quite nice, molded plastic, but to me it looks like high quality, so it's not some Chinese plastic, I would say. Okay, I almost removed this sticky tape or whatever it's called. So here is the thing where you can connect the hose if you like. This is the model. They are made in China, but it's again high quality, even if it's made in China, because that's the LONGHI. The LONGHI is, I think it's Italian company. I also like the blue color. I will take a look all around the unit, so I have not missed any I would say any of these stupid tapes, because I don't want to damage the unit. The burn smell like tape. I would not like that. Here we have some markings. I think it's safe for them. I don't see any more. Let me just double check on the back of the unit. Okay, nothing here to report. So I will just start the unit into electricity, and I will let me show you. Here it is. Here it will be his place. Just connecting it. Okay, I just connected to the electricity, and now we have option to, here is the start button, press it once. Right now it's on, this is probably the air, the menu for the, I would say for the clothes. Here are different level of moistures. Unfortunately, no digital display here, and from here you can switch the menu. 1, 2, 3. This is laundry function. The unit is, I would say, normal noise. This indicates that it's defrosting. This indicates that the tank is empty. You need to empty it. Okay. I will report I have a moisture inside my my purifier. So right now the moisture is 59. I will report after a few hours, so I can tell you how much the moisture is. That's it for now. Here is my final thoughts on this DeLonghi unit. So around after, let's say, hour or more than 1 hour, my, I would say, humidity level dropped by 10, so it was around 60. Right now it's 51. I would say roughly around 10. I right now stopped the unit. I removed this thing so I can show you how much water I have around after 1 hour. So this is the drain thing, I would say. The here you are. This is after 1 hour of work. I'm not sure how much liters is this, but it's some amount. So the unit works, it helps, so that's great. If you like my videos, keep watching them, sharing, subscribing, and until next time. And remember, the quality stuffs always pays off, so you invest in your health that way. I'm using the function laundry, and I also use the humidity level maximum. This is how I can achieve better results. That was it for today. If you like my videos, keep watching and sharing, subscribing, and be safe, and see you soon.